Hi everyone, welcome to episode 4, and it's the first full day in Buriram, Thailand, in the Assam region, which is the northeast. If you're going to have a look on the map, you'll see there's Thailand, goes up, and then it goes woof off to the side. That's Assam, and that's where I am, and that's where Buriram is as well. Really good day today. Went into the city, so we're staying about 3 kilometres out of the city. You'll see, it's not really a city per se. The city, I believe, is called Empire. That's the city of Buriram, the capital. So that includes going past the council building where I had a wee. I was busting, and we asked the person. I said, "Yeah, just go in there." So I went into the council building, found the toilet, had a wee. No one said anything. It was all cool. Come out. We went and saw the markets. We saw the train station. Only a small train station. A lot of people there. It must have been a train either just about to come in to depart, or one had already arrived. And yeah, there's a lot of people there. Pardon me. I only do one take, so you're going to get the coughs. Today, and this isn't the same day, by the way, this is 2 days later, 37 degrees Celsius, feels like 41. It is 1:18. We've been home for 2 hours because it was just out of control. Yeah, not cool. But that's good. We get up early and we do our stuff. So I hope you enjoy going into the city of Buriram. You see all the shops and all the different streets and all the vendors. We go through a market. We see the train station. Then we go out to sort of national parks, well, not national parks, but city parks, things like that. Okay, here we are in the room. This is the Skyview Resort in Buriram. Let me put some light on. We'll start with the Hongnam bathroom. There's me. Hello. Hello, everybody. So, a typical Thai bathroom, I guess, except Western toilet and the bum gun, of course. Hot water system, weakest miss, and the basin. But a good hotel, very good. Sort of foyery area. I don't know what you'd call that. There it is. Ooh, Los Angeles. Maybe not. There's all that shit. With me again. Turn that off. Whoop, that's the outside light. That's not going to work. And here is the main room. I don't know which light. Nope. And yes, there it is. So it's a pretty good room, as you can see. So this is the Skyview Resort, and it's connected to the Skyview Hotel. Skyview Hotel is actually fancier. And we've got the Thai TV on. And for some reason we're on 29, which is like a news channel, propaganda, a news channel. Some snacks. Oh yeah, looking forward to getting into the crab curry. That's what I'm talking about. Hong Tong, we'll do a review on that later. Some noodles. Oh, some smokes. For all you smokers out here, you're going to be so disappointed in Australia. This is a 20-gram packet of roll your own tobacco. Now, sure enough, it's not the best quality. 15 baht, 75 cents for 20 grams of tobacco. Gold. There we go, bin to yen. Very small. Don't point with your feet, Brent. Nam, always buy Nam. Water. Air conditioner, gotta have it. It's so good. And outside, we have the terrace. Here's the terrace here. It's a little smaller than I thought it would be, and you've seen videos before.
This police station.
Yes. Yay, mate.
How does it feel to treat me like you do when you laid your hands upon me and told me who you are? I thought I was mistaken. I I thought I heard your words, but tell me, how does it feel? Tell me, how now does it feel? I see a ship in the harbor, I can't shallow bay. But if it wasn't for your misfortune, I'd be a heavenly person today. And I still find it so hard to say what I need to say. But tell me, how does it feel? Tell me, how does it feel?
The rabbit. Oh, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, there's the rat. And this is me. Year of the pig. Moo. Dog. Dog is Sanu. Rooster, chicken. Guy. Monkey. Ling. Goat. I have no idea. Horse. I have no idea. Snake.